In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer an envelope in DocuSign. To get started, open the DocuSign website in your browser and sign into your account. Make sure you're using the correct account where the envelope is currently stored, since transfer options will only appear for envelopes you have access to manage. Once you're signed in, go to the Manage section. This is where DocuSign organizes your envelopes and lets you track their status, view activity, and make updates when available. From there, open either the Send tab or the Inbox tab, depending on where the envelope is located. If you sent the envelope yourself, you'll usually find it under Send. If it was received in your account, check the inbox. Next, locate the envelope you want to transfer. If you have a long list of envelopes, it may help to look carefully at the subject line, status or date so you choose the correct one. After you find it, select the envelope to open its details. This gives you access to the available actions for that specific envelope. Now look for the More menu or any available envelope options. In DocuSign, some actions are grouped under a drop-down menu, so the transfer option may not be visible immediately. If transfer is available, choose it to begin the handoff process. Keep in mind that this option may depend on your permissions, account settings, or the current status of the envelope. When prompted, enter the email address of the person you want to transfer the envelope to. Be careful here, because the transfer will be associated with the address you enter. After that, review the transfer details to make sure everything is correct, including the selected envelope and the recipient information. Once you've confirmed that the details look right, confirm the transfer. DocuSign will then begin processing the request. This may only take a moment, so give the system a little time to complete the action before moving on. After the transfer has been processed, return to the envelope list. From there, verify that the envelope has been transferred successfully. You may notice a status update, a change in ownership, or that the envelope no longer appears in the same way it did before. Checking this final result is important so you can be confident the transfer was completed properly. Thanks for watching.